Ready to unlock the power of Facebook ads in 2025? This is the only tutorial you'll need to navigate the world of Facebook advertising, even as a complete beginner. We'll demystify the process, guiding you step by step to create profitable campaigns and maximize your return on ad spend. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to set up your ads, interpret your data, and confidently launch campaigns that drive results. We'll also share essential tips to avoid those dreaded Facebook restrictions and keep your account running smoothly. Laying the foundation: account setup and warm-up. Before you dive into creating ads, it's crucial to set up your account correctly and warm it up to avoid restrictions. First, create a Facebook Business Manager account. This central hub allows you to manage your ad accounts, pages, and other assets. Ensure your account name matches your business name and use your official email address. Next, warm up your Facebook profile. Facebook's AI is smart. It can detect unusual activity. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day interacting with content, liking posts, watching videos, and commenting genuinely. This helps establish your account as a real person. Understanding the structure: Business Manager and Ad Account. Within your Business Manager, you'll create an ad account. This is where you'll manage and run your actual ad campaigns. Choose a clear name for your ad account, select your time zone and currency, and link it to your business. You can then connect your Shopify store to your Facebook Business Manager for seamless integration. Decoding the data-essential Facebook ads metrics. Data is the key to successful Facebook advertising. Understanding key metrics allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your campaigns. We'll provide a downloadable cheat sheet with explanations of the most important metrics, including click-through rate, CTR, cost per click, CPC, cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM, return on ad spend, ROS, and frequency. Customize your Ads Manager columns to display the metrics most relevant to your goals. This allows you to track performance effectively and identify areas for improvement. Crafting compelling ads: strategies for success. Creating engaging ads is crucial for attracting attention and driving conversions. We'll share a proven framework for crafting high-performing ads. Your ads should capture attention within the first 3 seconds, feature high-quality visuals, include persuasive copy highlighting benefits, and have a clear call to action. Storytelling can also be a powerful tool to connect with your audience. Research competitor ads using Facebook Ads Library and SimilarWeb to understand what's working in your niche. Analyze their ad creative, targeting, and performance to gain valuable insights. Testing and optimization: the creative testing campaign. Before launching a full-fledged campaign, it's essential to test different ad variations to identify the top performers. Create a creative testing campaign with a small budget, testing 2 to 3 different video ads and thumbnails. Use UTM parameters to track the performance of each variation accurately. Analyze the results of your creative testing campaign, focusing on key metrics like CTR, CPC, and conversion rate. Choose the ad variation that performs best and use it for your cold audience campaign. Reaching new customers: the cold audience campaign. Once you have a winning ad from your creative testing, it's time to reach a broader audience with a cold audience campaign. Use a larger budget for your cold audience campaign and test different interests to find your ideal target audience. Start with a campaign budget optimization (CBO) strategy to distribute your budget efficiently. Continuously monitor the performance of your cold audience campaign, analyzing key metrics, and adjusting your targeting and bidding strategies to maximize your ROS. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the world of Facebook advertising and achieve your marketing goals. Remember, data is your guide, Testing is essential, and continuous optimization is key to long-term success. What are your biggest takeaways from this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.